How to share Instagram story to Facebook story. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Instagram and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Now move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner. Move into settings and privacy. Head over to account center. Tap on profiles. So right here you need to make sure that you have added your Facebook account. If not, you can simply tap on add accounts and then add your specific Facebook account. Once it has been added, go back and head over to your story section. Move into your gallery. Select the video or the picture that you want to add to your story. Let's say I want to add this picture. Click on it. And then tap on this arrow icon at the bottom right corner. Below your story, you'll find the option of sharing options. Click on it. And then tap on share once. And once again tap on share. Wait for a while for it to upload. Well, the story has been uploaded successfully. Now you can go back and head over to your Facebook account. And there you can see that the story has also been added on Facebook. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to add Instagram story to Facebook story. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.